All right, so this is for the winners of the Snap-on 3-piece miniature plier set. Right here comes this cool case, 3 pliers or 2 pliers, and the flush cuts right here. Oh, there's those. First place will win these. And then I have 2 pocket pry bars for second and third place. So let's start this. And we're gonna put that there, paste. Let's see, hit that. Rams and razors. Yeah, that's the video. Okay. Confirm video. Remember, winners 3. And here we go. Good luck to everybody. And that's it. S.J. Dawson. You won the pliers, and T-Man Sander and Bruce Leanne Horst, sorry. So there you go. I'll have to contact S.J. Dawson. You won those pliers right there. I'll mail them out to you. I just need your address. You can contact me through the YouTube, or I have Instagram, or I can give you my email, Rams and Razors. Oh, congratulations to Dawson and the 2 other people. And that's it. Thanks, fellas.